Hey guys, this is Central here, and welcome to part 1 of my Bukkit Coding tutorial series. In this episode we're just going to cover setting up the IDE and getting Bukkit and a server ready to use to test our plugins on. So first thing what you want to do is you want to go to eclipse.org and download Eclipse. So Eclipse is the IDE, or the place where you write all the code. So you select your version at the top and you want to get Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So once you've downloaded that, it will come in a raw file or a zip file, and you just extract it and you'll get a folder with all this in. To run it, you just double click eclipse.exe. So next what we need is a jar file. So there's this wonderful site called the Ives Mirror, which is quicker than using the build tools, because build tools just takes ages. So all the people who donated to keep the site up and running here. But what you want to do is you want to go to vanilla spigot, and you want to go down to whatever jar version you want. Make sure it doesn't say API. If it says API, it's not going to work as a server. So as you can see, this one says API. So does this one say API? Nope. So let's just download this one. You can click the download button and it'll take you to a like AdFly sort of thing. But if you click direct download, it'll just download straight away. I have quick internet, so this should download fairly quick. And there we go, we have it. So for now we're done in Google Chrome. So I recommend making a folder for all your stuff and a jars folder for your jars. So then we want to do spigot 1.10, and we just go in here, find 1.10, where did I download to? Here it is. And you want to rename this spigot 1.10, and you want to create a copy of this and call it server. So now you have this, you want to copy your server.jar and make a server folder and put it in there. And then you want to, if you're on Windows, you can copy this out. I'll leave a link to set it up in the description for all versions, but you basically want to make you want to open Notepad and you save it as all files, and we'll save it on my desktop as hello.bat. And when you save it as a bat, it's a runnable file. So if I do code hello, this should, when I run it, I might want to add a pause down here, and as you can see, when I run it, it says hello. So we can use this to run our server. So you need Java installed for this, and the amount of RAM, as I said, there'll be a link in the description to how to set it up. But once you have this, you just run it, and as you can see, it will start to load all the files. So we have our logs already, which will be empty. And as you can see, it stopped with only this amount of files, and that's because Minecraft requires you to sign a EULA, agreeing with all the terms and conditions. So if you just make that true and run it again, it should start, And while that's doing that, you can edit your server.properties just to make your server better once the server.properties has loaded properly. And it will take a while to prepare the spawn for the first time. It doesn't usually take this long, but once this is done, you will be able to start programming. So we'll just wait for this to finish. As you see, it's now just preparing again. It'll go much quicker this time. And yeah, it's done. As you see, we have no plugins, but is there a ver command? Craft Bukkit version, git spigot, Minecraft 1.10, implementing API. You are 50, yeah, we're not 53 versions behind, don't worry. So now to connect to it, you add server, and you call this localhost, and in here you can type 127.0.0.1, and I just see localhost, or you can just type in localhost, and they both come up.